Welcome. This video is about Cambridge A-Level 9709, paper 53 of May-June 2022, question number 5. Farmer Jones grows apples. The weights in grams of the apples grown in this year are normally distributed with mean 170 and standard deviation 25. Then apple weigh between 142 grams and 205 grams are sold to supermarket. So between 142 and 205 are sold to supermarket. Find the probability that are sold to supermarket. So it is x less than 205 minus probability of x less than 142. Convert into z less than 205 minus 170 divided by 25 minus probability of z less than 142 minus 170 by 25. So this becomes probability of z less than 1.4 minus probability of z less than minus 1.12. So probability of z less than 1.4 minus 1 minus probability of z less than 1.12. So this is going to be nothing but how much? 0.9192 minus 1 plus 0.8686. Simplify that, 0.788 is going to be the answer. Farmer Joe sells apples to the supermarket at $0.24 each. He sells the apple more than 205 grams at local shop for 0.3 each. He does not sell the apples which are less than 142 grams. The total number of apples sold by Farmer Jones is 20,000. Calculate the estimate of his total income. So, between 142 and 205. He is selling them at $0.24, and more than 205 he is selling at $0.30. This is for the supermarket and this is for the local shop. Now we got that for this one the probability was 0.788. So 0.788 times 0.24 plus for this one 0.30 times probability of x greater than 205. So we have to find it out the probability of x greater than 205. Let's first find it out probability of x greater than 205. So probability of z greater than 205 minus 170 divided by 25. So probability of z greater than 35 upon 25. So 1 minus probability of z less than 35 upon 25. So 1 minus this answer is 0.9192. So it's going to be nothing but how much? 0.0808. So what's going to be that? 0.788 times 0.24 plus 0.30 times 0.0808. Simplify that. You should be getting $4,266.24. That's the answer. Farmer Tan also grows apples. The weights in grams of the apples grown the following year, mean is 182 and standard deviation is 20. 72% weigh more than W grams. So it is weighing more than what it says W grams. So X greater than W equals to 72%. So probability of Z greater than W minus 182 divided by 20 equals to 0.72. So now greater to lesser than means 1 minus. 1 minus probability of Z less than W minus 182 by 20 equals to 0.72. So probability of Z less than W minus 182 by 20 is 0.28. But this 0.28 is not there in the table. So write it as 0.72 again. So but when you are doing, swap this one. 182 minus W by 20. So use the table. You'll be getting 182 minus W by 20 equals to 0.583. From there, you get the value of W as 170. That's going to be the answer.